Hello friends, Nicola from Adisoft. In this quick video we'll create some details of cultural places. We have one lot here with three sand semispheres on the ground, and we see their dimensions. They are written in the document, but I will check if this is the lot where these cultural objects are. As you can see, I've marked them with one spot here, which is named the group of three objects, but I will check the exact location on the satellite map, and then I will georeference, draw the exact location, and then draw buffers and create a detail drawing. So first let's see where this lot goes in Google Earth. Right click, save as, save it as let's say KML. Now let's load it by double clicking on the save file. Oh yes, that's what I expected. And here you see the groups of objects. We have one here, and one either here or here, probably this one. And now we will, let's first see the image. And now I will print screen this, go to Paint, the Epic program Paint. Let's paste, and now we can just crop this. Crop, file, save as, save it, PNG or GPG, doesn't matter, and then we go to the georeferencer, raster, georeferencer, load it, go to heritage, yes, and we will use these points. First this one from map canvas. Let's use selected there, this one, okay, this point goes to here, and this point goes to here. We can use another one, even this one. We don't need 4 points, but I will use 4. And let's go to transformation settings, line, nearest neighbor, yes, everything looks good. We need to save output raster as a file. Let's save it, the same name but TIFF format, okay, and run. Discard. There we go. This is the object. Now we can, I will save it and use shapefile in this case. Details, let's go to control, details, save, okay. For this one, let's see the attributes we will need. Count will not be needed because they will be 1. I will place each place separately. And this one will be needed. This one will be needed. Number will will probably, let's say it will be needed because it will be the number of the group heritage. This will be the name of the group heritage, and we have this will be the name of the single heritage. Space. Save. And now it shall be visible. Just forgot to change the style to the column I mentioned, generalize. This is it. As for the other ones, we will just select this, copy and paste. Paste again, and now transfer them to their places. Here and here. Now we have this will be number 2. Pardon me. This will be number 2 here, and this will be number 3. Now the next part will be drawing the circles around them. This will be saved, of course. The circles, let's see the document. The boundaries. For the first one we have 20 meters around it. The second one 10 meters, and the third one 10 meters. So let's go to details again, and I will define another column which will be boundary in Bulgarian. Integer, and use 3 or actually even 4 because it can be in kilometers. Now for the first one we will type 20 meters, the second one 10, the second and the third one 10. Now we will use the first save this. Let's go to plugins and check buffer, multi-distance buffer. Now go to installed, it is allowed. Go to plugins or vector actually. Yes. Select it, go to the layer, here buffer distances at multiple, at individual, interesting that it cannot select the field. Anyway, I will choose 10 meters and 20 meters and click OK. Let's check. Now this one we don't need, and the other ones are exactly 10 meters, yes. And now I will copy them. I first select them and make them separate, single part. Copy this, actually cut it because I don't need this layer, and paste it here. Yes, that's it. Save. And now we can use this as a reference. We can turn the dot on this. The dot shall be behind the zones. Let's check the layer order. Yes, this shall be way up above the dots. This. The dots I will turn slightly less dense, then like more white in it. Okay, and that's it. We have also the other layers, and also the aggregated layers. And the lot source I will just place like this, and the forest. So, and we are ready to build our detail. This is the lot exactly, and we have the free I forget the word again. It's a very interesting word. It's tumulus, free tumuluses, or mounds of earth, and we have correctly georeference them on the map. Thanks for watching. It's Nikolaev signing off, and wishing you inspiration in your practice. See you in the next video.